In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to remove parental control on Google account. So you want to open your Play Store. So here in the Play Store, at the top right corner, you get to click on your account. And when you click on your account, you get to select settings. So we're going to look for settings down here and we'll click on it. So you have general network preferences, purchase verification, and family. And you can see underneath it, you can see parental control. So when you tap on it, it's going to bring a drop-down menu of your options here, and you have parental controls turned on. So you're going to click on it, and you have the button there to toggle it on or off. In this case, it's currently on. In order to turn it off or remove it, you have to click on the button. It's going to ask you to put your PIN, in which case you have to put the PIN to verify authentication. And now you can see parental controls are off. So this is how to remove parental control on Google account.